Come on, get out of there. Their eyes are about to open, especially that one. She's evil. I don't want to get rid of any of them. They're so adorable.
Too bad. They're cute.
Yeah, I'm in trouble there. There you go. Apparently they'll have their full fur in like 3-4 weeks. So it won't be that long.
She's gonna get them.
Grab it. Jesus.
That was rough.
Yeah. Oh my god, the face! It's like she cares, but also doesn't at the same time.
Oh, it's rough.
What is that, a sprinkle? I swear, I saw like a little glitter. Jesus. You done?
They're all done. Oh, go on, Mama.